Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're doing a mom vs. dad Disney packing challenge. Usually I am doing all the packing for the whole family. I do me, I do the kids, and I make sure we have everything we need for our ultimate Disney trip. And Chris packs just, his computer.
It's not true. That's not true at all. I have a lot of stuff here.
Yeah, so we're gonna go through our bags and see what we packed and see who packed really what you need for Disney. So I think we're gonna start with you because it looks like you got 2 bags and I have like 1, 2, 3, 7. So Chris, show us what you packed for Disney.
All right, so these are my must pack. I don't know why you're being so. Look, we get through it every time, right? Mm-hmm. All right, so I have two bags that I bring to Disney. I also have a carry around bag, but there's nothing in there right now, so I'm good. So in this one, this is actually one of the more important ones, especially nowadays.
Do you have a?
This is
there $1 million
a very nice
in there?
Pelican case, and it's full of all the stuff that we'll need for podcasting while we're at Disney, such as microphones, and recording equipment, and plugs and various chargers and all kinds of other things.
I don't see any shampoo in there.
Oh, we'll get there.
We're gonna wash our hair.
We'll get there. And in this bag, this is everything else I need.
Okay.
And I, unlike you, can pack everything that I need for a 2-week Disney vacation trip in one bag.
Really?
Yep.
So do you have toothbrushes in there? I hope. Because we're gonna have stinky breath if not.
So, computer.
See if I can wash my hair with this. No? Okay, alright.
iPad.
Brush my teeth with this. No, not doing it.
Nintendo Switch.
Maybe this be my deodorant?
So this will come in handy. Various plugs, chargers, and HDMI screen sharing devices.
Alright, that is good to have in Disney. Alright,
Yep.
alright.
A notebook, just in case I have thoughts. Because sometimes I have thoughts.
Really? Sometimes.
Yeah.
This would be good if we run out of toilet paper.
I also have a Kindle. Ooh. A docking station for the computer. Always handy. Let's see. What else we got in here?
Still don't see any toothbrushes there.
I also have the most important thing, the camera.
So I'm not seeing any clothes in here. How are you gonna change your clothes? Bathing suit?
Oh, I've got that covered.
Okay. Plenty of underwear packed?
I got clothes.
Okay, so we're staying for 9 days. How many shirts you got?
3 because I'm wearing one.
And how many pairs of shorts?
The ones I have on.
How about underwear? 9 days, you have 9 pairs?
I got 2.
Good thing
And I got
there's a
socks.
washer and dryer in our Airbnb. And if you were staying at a Disney resort, there are washers and dryers there, so that's good to know.
I think I did pretty good.
But I think you'll be doing a lot of laundry.
Yep.
Guess who's not doing the laundry? This guy. So let's see what's in my bags. Maybe I got this shampoo and the sunscreen. I wonder.
I hope you do because I don't. Oh, wait. I also have toothpicks.
Oh. That's good to have.
And I have sunscreen.
Got one little thing of it just for you.
It's enough for me.
That's all that matters, right?
So, that's what's in my bag when I pack for a Disney trip. Now, something important to mention here is we're driving, so you won't always be able to bring all the stuff that we bring.
True. Yeah, the airplanes don't let a lot of things on.
But these are our tips for what to pack when at least you're driving. And some of them might be really good for when you're flying, too. You just have to buy the smaller bottles.
Yeah,
so I think I nailed it. I think I did great.
What do you guys think? Did he nail it?
I think I did. All right, so what do you have?
So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags packed right here. So this bag is important for when you're driving. I have an overnight bag so that you don't have to bring in everybody's luggage. You can I just have one bag with a life vest for swimming, a bathing suit for everybody, underwear, change of clothes, and jammies. So this is just for if you're stopping overnight on the drive. Yes?
Do you have stuff for me in there?
I do.
Thanks.
I even have stuff for you, unlike you for me. So that's important.
Good bag. What else you got? Which one do you want?
Next one I have is, I'm gonna go to the pink bag. This is the mini bag. And this is my bag of ears. A whole entire bag. I got 10 pairs of ears in here. And I needed a whole bag for it because you gotta have your ears at Disney. Did you pack any ears?
I don't. Yes. Can I wear some?
Mine and Michelle's ears, by the way.
All right. What's next?
Next I have the black bag, the Mickey bag.
Ooh, what's in here?
This is an essential bag so you can stay clean at Disney. It's our toiletries bag.
Ooh.
So this is great because I put it all in one bag because then if you stop at an overnight, you can just grab this and the change of clothes bag.
So what do you have in here?
So I have shampoo, lotion, toothbrushes, Tylenol, children's Tylenol, razor, face cream, all in a plastic zip bag so that if it spills,
It doesn't
it
get
stays
everywhere.
within the
So
bag.
this is a really good thing to bring on airplanes too, or the zip
Yeah.
bags and put them all together.
Just make sure it's less than 5 ounces.
Yeah.
And then in the other bag, I have sunscreen, detangler spray, perfume spray. Look, I even got some extra Disney soap from our last trip that we're gonna bring.
Oh, that's fun.
Deodorant, baby powder, and body wash,
Wow.
and a shower cap. I also brought a brush, antacid,
Oh,
glow sticks,
yeah.
sparklers just in case for the Airbnb. Might be fun. And tape. I don't know. Threw in tape. I don't know why. It might be tape.
Tape is fun. I like it.
So that's our toiletries / miscellaneous bag.
What else you got?
Michelle's bag. Our daughter's luggage. Pack that too.
I don't know. I just assumed the kids would pack for themselves, I guess.
Yeah, then they'd have the same as you have. 2 pairs of underwear.
2 pairs of underwear and a couple computers.
All right, so in here I got underwear and socks. I got at least 8 pairs of underwear, 8 socks, an extra bathing suit. I got 8 shirts, 2 dresses, a sweatshirt. You never know, it might get cold. I got like 6 shorts, 4 pajamas.
And that is for an 8-year-old girl.
Yes.
Wow.
And these are great, these luggage, because they can roll it themselves.
All right.
Next, my son's bag. Same kind of thing. We have um, 8 pairs of shorts, 8 shirts, 4 pairs of jammies, extra bathing suit, hats, sunglasses.
Hat's definitely for the August heat.
Yes, and sunglasses because it's sunny. A warm sweatshirt. Got 8 pairs of underwear, 8 socks. Oh, I packed him 2 bathing suits just in case. Yeah. So that's for Miles.
There's a lot that goes into packing.
It sure is. Oh, in this front pocket, actually we haven't unpacked it since our last trip. Has toys for the tub. Can't forget about bath toys.
Oh yeah, bath toys are clutch with young
Need to
kids.
have the bath toys.
Do we have bubble bath too?
We don't. We have to get some.
We'll get some while we're down there.
Lights up.
Are you looking for your bag?
And last but not least is my huge bag. So I think the reason you got me this for Christmas one year is because you know I pack everything.
Yeah.
This is I love this bag, by the way. This is my Minnie Mouse.
The large American Tourist Minnie Mouse.
It's huge. First, I'm going to show you what's in this front pocket. We have our box of magic bands.
Which you've been collecting over the years.
We have a lot. And our pins too. And it's gonna be Michelle and Miles' birthday again, so we're gonna have them wear their birthday pins.
If it's a celebration that you're going to Disney for, you can actually go up to guest services and they'll give you pins.
Definitely. And you get a little special treatment too when the cast members know it's their birthday. Alright, so let's see what's in here. It's a huge bag, which I sometimes can never open.
You don't even know how to open your own bag?
There's so many zippers in this bag.
I think that was it.
right.
Oh.
So I packed Michelle's Rapunzel wig and dress. Wasn't sure if she's gonna want to dress up. We have more what's in here? More magic
More
bands.
magic bands, yeah.
Magic bands in here. Same thing. I got eight shirts, Disney shirts, 8 pairs of shorts, 4 pairs of jammies. I have my own hats. I have a sweatshirt just in case. I have a dress-up outfit because we're going out to dinner one night to Toledo. Underwear, socks, bras, bathing suit, and I think that's about it. One thing that I realized I didn't pack, but I always assume you're gonna pack, is chargers.
Always have chargers.
Yeah, you gotta have your chargers, your phone chargers.
Yeah.
Camera chargers.
So in that bag that I have, there's miscellaneous and various chargers and devices and sticks and all kinds of things.
Yeah, that seems to be the thing I always forget, but it's because I probably think you're gonna pack it.
Yeah.
So that's it.
That's it? That's all you bring?
That's all we got so far.
I'm sure there's more stuff.
So another thing we're gonna need is when we go get in the car is a travel pack.
Yes.
With coloring books, crayons, snacks, phones, not DVD players, but iPads.
Things to watch movies on.
Things to occupy the children for the 20-hour drive.
Well, I got the Nintendo Switch, so
Oh, can they play in the car?
yeah,
Oh, awesome.
definitely.
Also, baby wipes already in the car.
Mhm.
Got all the baby wipes. Keep
Yep.
those hands clean. And that's about it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Oh, you did a great job.
Thanks.
I did better.
Do you think so?
How can you live without a computer, a camera, and
I have no idea.
toothpicks?
I guess you'll just be one smelly guy with the same shirt on.
I have 3 shirts.
By the 4th day, you'd have the same shirt.
I'll do great.
All right.
And I could do it without you, too.
Uh-huh.
So I'm curious what you guys think. Who do you think packed better?
Yeah, what's missing from our bags? Any tips you guys have for your...
Yeah, this isn't the all-encompassing list, but this is what we have packed so far, and we're leaving in a couple of days.
Yeah. So thanks for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and comment down below who packed better.
And bring home the milk.
Yeah, don't forget that. Bye, guys.